Hello everyone, it's been a long time, but here we have it. A phone that's new to me but old to the internet, the Oneplus Open. And I know this has gotten significantly cheaper than it was when it launched, simply because we're coming closer to that new window of the Pixel Fold and the Z Fold 6, sorry. So let's get into this box. First, you can see the Hasselblad Oneplus branding partnership kind of thing here. And let's open the box. So one thing I've seen online is how this box presents itself, and of course the phone isn't missing. I kind of unboxed this last night, but here's the device. Let's put this aside. And it was right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this and put this over there. And we have this, which is its SuperVOOC. I'm pronouncing that right. 67 watt charger. It's supposed to charge this phone from nothing to full in like 40 minutes. And then this box, which is pretty big, we have a case. So nice plasticky case. And of course the front, which I think, like the Z Fold 5, should be like this adhesive you need to stick on the front. I don't like these. I typically just use the back. And some paperwork, plus your signature red OnePlus charging cable. And some documentation. So welcome. This is actually a pretty thick card just to tell me welcome. Find more benefits. Is this just like literally a card? Yeah, it is. Wow, okay. Card membership. Oh, there's a red cable club card in here. Interesting. Your quick start guide, your safety guide, and some stickers from OnePlus, which I think my son will enjoy. And of course, your SIM removal tool. This is actually a pretty filled box in comparison to what Apple or, Google is giving you nowadays. Oh, there's something at the bottom. What is this? What is this? Oh, dang. They give you a USB-C to USB-A dongle. Again, much more than what the other companies are giving you. Anyway, let's look at the phone.